The Ford Mustang is one of those cars that does not need an introduction. For more than 60 years, it's been one of the most recognizable performance cars in the world. Kaya hindi nakakapagtaka na kahit dito sa Pilipinas, kapag may dumaan na Mustang, may times na napapalingon ka. Pero kasabay ng iconic status niya, nandyan din ang stereotypes. Ang lakas sa gasolina niyan, weekend car lang yan. Pero once you get past all those stereotypes, that's when you start appreciating what the Mustang is really about. Now, with the all-new S650 Mustang 5.0 GT Premium, the question is, has Ford done enough to keep the Mustang legend alive? One thing about the S650 Mustang, kahit ilang beses mo pa siyang makita, mapapalingon ka pa rin. Ford did not completely reinvent the Mustang. They simply evolved a design that's already iconic. The overall look still has the modern retro vibe. Isang tingin pa lang, alam mo Mustang siya, pero mas sharp, mas aggressive, at mas planted ang dating. You'll immediately notice the large honeycomb grille, paired with the signature tri-bar LED headlights. And since this is the GT, may functional hood vents pa siya. Hindi lang siya pamporma, tinutulungan din nitong i-manage ang heat coming from the big V8 under the hood. Sa likod naman, nandyan pa rin ang iconic tri-bar LED taillights with amber sequential turn signals. Tapos sa baba, you'll find the quad tip exhaust. Sa side profile, nandyan pa rin ang classic fastback silhouette that has been part of identity for decades. Long hood, short rear deck, the proportion just look right. Since this is the 5.0 GT, you'll also find the GT badge proudly sitting on the fender. The side mirrors are power folding, heated, and come with integrated turn signals plus paddle lamps. Small details, pero nice to have on a modern performance car. And then the wheels, 19-inch carbonized gray painted alloys, perfectly fill the wheel arches, giving the car a more planted stance. Behind them are black Brembo brakes, reminding you that this car was not just built to go fast, it was also built to stop, as it means it. Moving to the trunk, it's actually more practical than most people expect. Hindi siya yung tipong panglipat bahay. Obviously, it's still a Mustang, not an SUV. Pero for a weekend getaway, a couple of luggage, or your camera gear if you're into content creation, you're good. Wanting to know tough, walang spare tire. Instead, Ford gives you a tire repair kit, frees up a bit more cargo space. Hopefully, you won't have to use it. You also get cabin lights and rear speakers, so hindi rin naman tinipid ang practicality. Now let's go to the reason why people dream of owning a Mustang. What's under the hood? This S650 is powered by a 5.0-liter TI VCT V8, producing an impressive 493 horsepower and 567 Nm of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Power is sent to the rear wheels, and yes, it comes with limited slip differential, giving you better traction when you're putting all that V8 power down. Let's be honest, numbers are one thing, but hearing a naturally aspirated V8 come to life, that's come a completely different experience. And that's exactly why, even in the age of turbocharged engine and EVs, the Mustang GT still has a special place in every enthusiast garage, or at least on their dream car list. Now, performance is only half the story. When it comes to safety, here's everything the Mustang GT brings to the table. Now, let's happy inside. And this is where the S650 proves na hindi lang exterior ang in-upgrade ni Ford. The cabin has this modern sporty vibe. Pero at the same time, hindi niya nakalimutan na it's still a Mustang. Driver focus pa rin ang layout. Kaya everything you need is within easy reach. First up, the D-shaped steering wheel. It comes with a heated function, plus complete infotainment controls, cruise controls, and paddle shifters. Then, ito agad ang hihila ng atensyon mo, the curved display. It gives the cabin a more high-tech feel, while the customizable ambient lighting lets you match the mood, chill drive, sport mode, o gusto mo lang bumagay sa outfit mo, ikaw bahala. One thing you should know tough, Ford went all in on the touchscreen. Wala nang physical controls for the aircon. So pati dual zone automatic climate control, sa screen mo na rin i-adjust. It looks super clean and modern. Pero kung sanay ka sa physical knobs, medyo may adjustment period lang. Sa baba naman, you'll find the push start button, driver assistance shortcut, volume knob, plus USB Type-C port, Type-A port, and a 12-volt socket. Moving to the center console, you get 2 cup holder and a storage compartment. That's just the right size for your everyday essentials. May another 12-volt socket din sa loob. The glove box is decent in size. And one detail I really like is the Mustang badge on the passenger side. Small detail lang siya, pero it's a nice reminder na hindi ka lang basta nasa coupe, you're inside the Mustang. And if you're into music, the S650 comes equipped with the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. So whether you're listening to the V8 or your favorite playlist, panalo ka either way. Up top, you get map lights and a sunglass holder. As for the seats, Recaro leather sport seat na agad ang makukuha mo from the factory. They hold you in place really well, especially kapag nagsisimula na maging exciting ang kalsada. Manual ang adjustment, which some people might see as a compromise. The steering wheel also get manual tilt and telescopic adjustment, making it easy to find a comfortable driving position. Space-wise, okay na okay sa harap, kahit matangkad ka, hindi ka magkakaproblema. Sa likod naman, let's just say your passenger should be your favorite people. Kasya naman ang adults for shorter trips. And personally, kasya naman ako. Pero if you're expecting full-size sedan levels of rear legroom, that's not really what the Mustang was built for. Because at the end of the day, the front seats are the main event. The rear seat, they're more like VIP guest passes. Now for the verdict, kung matagal mo ng pangarap magkaroon ng proper V8 muscle car, then the Mustang 5.0 GT Premium is easily one of the best option you can still buy today. You get the iconic looks, serious road presence, that naturally aspirated 5.0 liter V8 under the hood. In a world that's slowly shifting to smaller turbo engine and EVs, a Mustang is one of the few cars that still reminds you why people fell in love with the V8s in the first place. But here's what really makes this car special. It's not just about the horsepower, it's about experience. Every cold start puts a smile on your face. Every tunnel makes you want to roll the windows down. And every time you park it, don't be surprised kung mapapalingon ka pa rin bago ka tuluyang umalis. Of course, hindi rin siya perfect. The biggest compromise is the second row. Yes, kasya ang adults. Pero let's be honest, hindi ito yung kotse na bibilin mo kung priority mo ang rear seat comfort. Short trips, kayang-kaya. Pero sa long drive, baka mauna pang magtanong yung nasa likod kung malayo pa ba. And syempre, being a two-door performance coupe, practicality is not really its strongest suit. But then again, that's not why people buy a Mustang. You buy it for the sound. You buy it for the V8. And most of all, you buy it for the feeling every time you get behind the wheel. So magkano nga ba? The Ford Mustang 5.0 GT Premium starts at 4,060,000 Philippine peso. Although the final price will still depend on the color you choose. Available siya in race red, iconic silver, vapor blue, Oxford white, grabber blue, and shadow black. Now it's your turn. If you had the budget, Would you still pick a naturally aspirated V8 in 2026? Or will you go for a turbocharged sports car instead? Let me know in the comments. I really want to hear your take. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're always updated sa mga susunod nating uploads. See you on the next episode of Drive Talk.